Good morning, Agastya. How are you all? I wish you all are fit and fine at your place. Today we are going to learn use of A. We know that the English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all. Of these, vowels are 5 and rest of them are known as consonants. We had 21 consonants. Now I'll show you some pictures. Try to read them. A table. A pencil. A fish. A frog. A flag. A tiger. So, students, here we have seen all these pictures are in singular number. Means we use A before the name of a singular number and begins with a consonant sound. Name of these pictures are starts with consonant sound. So we have seen A is used before a singular number with consonant sound. Dear students, let's read uses of A from Tinker Book. We use A before the word that starts with a consonant. A ball, a cat, a donkey, a fish, a girl, a hen, a kite, a lotus, a monkey, a nib, a pen, a quill, a rose, a shoe, a toy, a van, a well, a xylophone, a yak, a zip. Dear students, you also do the practice of uses of A at your home from your book also. Thank you.